Welcome to Privacy Trustline, where trust is the bridge between people and progress. Brought to you by Headspace Resources and Enterprise Synergy, we are dedicated to advancing digital trust, privacy, data protection, and ethical information best practices across industries and communities. Today's insight highlights the ripple effect of doing right by one person at a time. Customer trust respects individuals and strengthens communities. Every respectful interaction builds a relationship. Every honest practice builds a reputation. When people feel seen, heard, and protected, they not only return, they tell others, they participate, they build alongside you. Trust is personal, but its impact is collective. It turns digital services into shared spaces of dignity and safety. If you believe trust creates stronger communities, like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with someone who leads with respect. And subscribe to Privacy Trustline, where every connection is built on care. Join the movement to enhance privacy, empower trust, and lead with confidence, one insight at a time.